Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to use Canva's video editor. First, navigate to the Canva homepage and select Video to begin your project. You can choose from a wide array of pre-designed templates or start fresh with a blank canvas. Take a moment to explore the intuitive interface, which features a clear timeline, media library, and editing tools. This initial step sets the foundation for creating your compelling video content. Now, let's add your content. Easily upload your personal video clips and images from your device. Simply drag and drop these media files directly onto your video timeline. You can precisely trim and split clips to remove unwanted sections, ensuring perfect timing. Furthermore, adjust the playback speed to create dynamic effects and fine-tune the audio volume for each segment, giving you complete control over your visual story. To make your video truly stand out, enhance it with Canva's creative tools. Incorporate engaging text, vibrant graphics, and dynamic animated elements to convey your message effectively. Experiment with various filters and color adjustments to set the perfect mood for each clip. You can also add background music and sound effects from Canva's extensive library, and choose from dozens of smooth transitions to seamlessly connect your different scenes. Once your masterpiece is complete, it's time to share it with the world. Always preview your entire video to ensure everything looks and sounds perfect before the final download. You can then download your finished video in popular formats like MP4, typically in high-definition 1080p. Canva also allows you to share your video directly to various social media platforms or invite others to collaborate on your project, making teamwork effortless.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.